Welcome to My Cyber Coach, a video series designed specifically for veterans like you who are considering a transition from military service to a career in cybersecurity. I'm your host, Jason Shockey, and I'm excited to help you make the leap from service to cyber. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the series. Today we're going to take a closer look at the cybersecurity job market. If you're a veteran thinking about transitioning into this field, you've probably heard that cybersecurity is booming, and you're right. But what does that mean for you? What are employers actually looking for, and how can you position yourself for success? In this video, we'll break down the latest trends and what you need to know to get started. Let's start with the big picture. The demand for cybersecurity professionals has never been higher. In fact, there's a global shortage of talent in the field. Some estimates say there will be millions of unfilled cybersecurity jobs in the coming years. Why? Because cyber threats are growing every day, companies are facing more sophisticated attacks, and governments are increasing their cybersecurity requirements. This means employers are actively searching for people with the right skills to help defend their critical systems and sensitive data. So what roles are in high demand? One of the most sought-after positions is the information security analyst, which we talked about in the last episode. These professionals are responsible for monitoring and protecting systems from cyber threats. If you're detailed-oriented and enjoy solving problems, this is a great entry point into the field. Employers are also looking for penetration testers, the ethical hackers who identify vulnerabilities before real attackers can exploit them to gain unauthorized access to systems and data. Another big area is incident response. When a cyber attack happens, companies need professionals who can step in, contain the threat, and minimize the damage. Incident response is high pressure, but incredibly rewarding if you thrive in fast-paced environments. Leadership roles like cybersecurity managers and chief information security officers are also in high demand as companies seek experts who can oversee entire security strategies. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are employers looking for? Well, technical skills are important, but so are soft skills. Employers want cybersecurity professionals who can think critically, communicate effectively, and work well under pressure. In fact, if you've had experience leading teams, managing crises, or problem-solving in high-stakes situations, things you likely did in the military, then you're already ahead of the game. On the technical side, employers are looking for people who understand how to work with tools like security information and event management systems, firewalls, and intrusion detection systems. Some highly valued certifications that hiring managers look for are CompTIA Security Plus, GIAC Security Essentials, and the Certified Information Systems Security Professional, or CISSP. These certifications prove that you have a level of foundational technical knowledge to hit the ground running. Like I always say, get the cert on Sunday and apply it on Monday. So get the certs that matter. But it's not just about having technical skills. Employers also want people who understand the bigger picture. That means knowing how cyber threats evolve and keeping up with the latest industry trends. Cloud security is a growing area as more companies move their operations to the cloud. If you can show that you understand how to secure cloud environments, you'll be an even stronger candidate for the position. So what does all this mean to you as a veteran? Well, the cybersecurity job market is wide open, and your military experience gives you a unique advantage. Your discipline, teamwork, ability to be comfortable in uncomfortable situations, and problem-solving skills are exactly what employers are looking for. You've already proven you can handle complex, high-pressure situations, skills that directly translate to cybersecurity. To sum it up, the cybersecurity job market is growing rapidly, and companies are looking for professionals who can bring a mix of technical expertise and problem-solving skills. Whether you're interested in hands-on roles like the information security analyst or penetration tester, or if you're interested in leadership positions like cybersecurity manager, there's a path for you. And as a veteran, you're already equipped with many of the skills that employers value most. Stick around for upcoming videos where we'll talk about certifications, training programs, and how to transition into specific cybersecurity roles. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our content. Thanks for watching My Cyber Coach. I'm Jason Shockey. Stay sharp, stay focused, and remember, the opportunities are out there, and I'm here to help you find the right path. See you in the next video.